Here's Dr. Payne. As you may all know, Dr. Love is a lesbian.
I most certainly am a lesbian. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook.
Josh Payne and Sebastian Grimm. We're on Facebook, bitches!
Joshua Payne. Look at my kick-ass Superman hat. Just look at it. It makes you want to jizz in your pants, doesn't it?
It's from Walmart.
Nuh-uh! Hey! My cat just died. Ugh. Ah! But I'm happy. I shot the fucker! You know what I like to do when I'm bored?
Fuck pineapples?
Fuck goldfish colors. You see that right there? Dr. Love, will you be kind enough to hand me goldfish colors?
See this fucking shit right here? This fucking shit right here.
Yeah, you
Fucking
see that shit?
colors.
You see that shit?
Colors right here.
Wait, he has to go.
Let me get a close up on that.
Hey, you see this shit?
I think there's a stale.
Yeah, these are really goldfish crackers.
Who the hell does that shit?
Look at this shit. Look at this fucking shit. Ooh, mints. Ooh, mints.
Oh my god, it's cocaine.
Ooh. Sexy good.
Well, goodbye.
No.
Find us on Facebook.
Facebook, please.
Facebook, Josh Payne and Sebastian Grimm. But find me first.